Good morning students. This is the continuation of the fund flow statement problem. In the last video I have explained the two steps, that is the schedule of changes in working capital and preparation of ledger account. Now the third remaining two steps, and that the third step is the calculation of fund from operation. So that is profit and loss adjustment account. So we'll see this how to calculate this. We'll start from here, share capital, so it won't come here. Next is the reserve. See, reserve in 2015 it is 80,000 and in 2016 it is 1 lakh. So there is an increase of 20,000, right? That means there is a transfer to general reserve or transfer to reserve. So we have to record that transfer to reserve here, that is 20,000 in the debit side of profit and loss adjustment account. This 20,000 is the difference of that transfer to reserve. Next we have profit and loss account. So we have here the 2015 it is the opening balance and 50,000 is the closing balance. Record that. Buy balance brought down 30,000 opening balance, and next is the to balance carried down 50,000, that is the closing balance. Next is the debenture account. So this one debenture will come under the fund flow statement. Next, income tax provision. For this we have prepared the ledger accounts for the income tax provision. So we'll see that. So here there is a by profit and loss adjustment account, that is 35,000. Here it is by means in the profit and loss adjustment account it is 2, that is provision for taxation 35,000. Next is the trade creditors. This one we have already recorded. Next, proposed dividend. So for proposed dividend also we have prepared the ledger accounts. See the ledger accounts. Proposed dividend, here we have by profit and loss adjustment account 40,000. Here by means to proposed dividend or dividend paid. So here the proposed dividend is 40,000 to here. Next, what we have next is the assets. First one is the goodwill. So goodwill in 2015 it was 1 lakh. Now in 2016 it is 90,000. So there is a decrease of 10,000. That means there is a goodwill written off of 10,000. We have to write under the debit side of profit and loss adjustment account. Write that 10,000. That is the difference. 1 lakh minus 90,000 is the 10,000. So we have to write that here. Next is the plant and machinery account. So we'll see that we have prepared the plant and machinery account. We'll see that. So here sales and purchases will go to fund flow statement. Next, if there is a profit or sale, then depreciation, that we have to record here. So here machine discarded is the sale of old machinery, so it won't come here. It goes to fund flow statement. Next, machine discarded. By machine discarded means it is a to sale. So this is the loss of machine discarded. Write that 3,000 here. Loss of machine, all machine discarded 3,000 comes under the debit side. Next we have the depreciation, that is the balancing figure. So depreciation is how much? 75,750. So this is the by depreciation means 2 it will come. So here right here 2 depreciation on plant, that is 75,750. Next, so we have done with this. Next we have the profit on sale of plant. So 2 means it comes under by profit on sale of machine 50,000. So we have recorded all the items. Next is the see the balance sheet. Plant is done. Next, debenture discount. See how much it is there. In 2015 it was 8,000 and in 2016 it is 5,000. So how much is decrease here? 3,000 is decrease. So there is a return of to debenture discount return of 3,000. We have to record under the debit side of profit and loss adjustment account. Next is the prepaid expenses. This one we have already recorded. Next, investment. So see the investment account. In the investment account we have two profit and loss adjustment account, that is profit on sale 10,000. So two profit and loss adjustment account means here it is buy. So buy profit on sale of investment, write that 10,000. Next is the Prepaid ex sundry debtors we have already recorded. Next, stock also we have already recorded. Cash at bank we have already recorded. Next is see the other information. 15% debentures has been charged. We have already recorded from plant and machinery account. Then old machinery. So this one also we have already recorded. Then machine costing. So all the transactions relating to machinery, plant and machinery we have recorded. Then profit on sale of investment we have recorded. Then see this one, debenture have been redeemed at 5% premium. See, for this we have to calculate what is the debenture value here. In 2015 it was 1,50,000. In 2016 it is 1 lakh. So here 1,50,000 minus 1 lakh, you will get 50,000. That is the difference. So on this 50,000 we have to calculate 5%. That is the premium on redemption of debenture. So premium is 5% they have mentioned. So on the difference you have to calculate 5%. You will get 2,500. Write that 2,500 in the debit side. That is 2 premium on redemption of debenture, 2,500. Next is the income tax we have already recorded. Dividend we have already recorded. So we have recorded all the items. Now we have to make a total. So we have recorded all the items. Now make total of this side. So here debit side is more. How much it is? 2,39,250. Next we have to find out the difference. So how much is the difference here? 1,84,250. So that is by fund from operation. It is the balancing figure. So it will be this one we have to consider when calculating the fund flow statement. So we have done with the third step. The last step is the fund flow statement. That is this calculation of sources and application of fund. So first we'll start from here. Share capital. In 2015 it is 3 lakh and in 2016 it is 4 lakh. So that means there is an increase of 1 lakh. So increase means during the year they have issued the shares. When we issue the shares we will get the cash. That means there is an inflow or sources of fund. So share capital, write that 1 lakh here under sources. Next is the reserve, no it won't come. Then debenture, profit and loss account, no it won't come. Then debenture we have. Debenture is the, see here there is a decrease of 50,000. In 2015 it was 1,50,000 and here it is 1 lakh. So there is a redemption of 50,000 here. So redemption of debenture, but they have mentioned in the adjustment here the debenture have been redeemed at 5% premium. So that means there is a redemption of 50,000 plus premium is 5%. This one we have already calculated. What is the premium on redemption of debenture? That is 2,500. So 50,000 plus 2,500, you will get 52,500. This is the redemption of debenture. We have to, when the debenture is reducing means there is a outflow of fund. That's why we have to record under application of fund. Next is the income tax provision. So here income tax provision we have the adjustment 45,000 income tax provision, income tax paid. So when we pay the tax, that means there is a payment of tax 45,000. It comes under the application of fund. So only these transactions we have to record once and all the adjustment transactions we have to record twice. Next is the trade creditors we have already recorded. Next, proposed dividend. For proposed dividend we have the adjustment, that is dividend paid during the year 30,000. So when we pay the dividend there is a application of fund. So dividend paid, write that 30,000 here. Next is the goodwill. So goodwill we have already recorded. Next, plant and machinery. So plant and machinery account we have to see that ledger account. So here only purchase and sales we have to consider. So there is a sale of old machinery, that is 35,000. So we have to record that sale of machine 35,000. Next we have the purchase of plant, that is 2,30,000. so when we purchase, there is a outflow of fund, so it comes under the application purchase of machine 2,30,000. Then payment of tax, this is done. Next is the debenture is done, prepaid expense. Next, investment. So for investment we have prepared the account, ledger account. So investment, here we have the sales, that is 50,000. so sales means it is a sources of fund, sale of investment, write that 50,000 under the sources of fund. Next, sundry debtors, stock, cash at bank. So all these transactions we have recorded. We'll see the solutions. So first one is the net increase in working capital. See this one where we have to record, it comes under the application of fund. So increase in working capital 11,750. Next, ledger accounts. So income tax provisions, that is income tax paid, we have already recorded. Then dividend paid, we have already recorded. Then plant and machinery account also we have already recorded. Investment done. Then last one is the profit and loss adjustment account. From this we have to record the fund from operation. So fund from operation, it means there is a sources of fund. So we have to record under the sources how much, 1,84,250. So we have recorded all the items. Now we have to make a total. Here both the side is equal, so that is 3,69,250. So this is the solution of the problem. So it is very important for 15 marks. I have completed the management accounting portion. So try to solve the problems. There are many problems in the textbook. Please work out these problems as well as the textbook problems. If you are not understanding anything, please contact me. Study well for your exam. All the best. Thank you.